I got video card from ASUS and the customer said the fan have some issue. As you can see guys, the fan is look like not normal. In this video, I will try to replace the fan. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers. So don't forget to give me like. First thing first, I need to open 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All screws out, and it's time to open this card, but just be careful because we have a cable for the fan, and this is the cable just disconnected. The cable is disconnected. Okay, we need to work on this side. They have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and the last one is here, 4. And I think this is the last one. Let's see. Yes. It's so dusty. For sure I will clean it. And this is the fan I need to replace. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. Alright, this is the old fan. Let's clean this part. I cleaned the plastic piece. It's not the best, but it's better than before. And this is the brand new fan. If you like to buy this fan, please let me know and I will leave the link for this fan. Alright, let's return all 4 screws. And this is the last one. And now let's return the heatsink. The heatsink is already cleaned. Let's return the 4 screws also. And this is the last one. I don't like the thermal paste here, so let's clean it and replace it. It looks like great. Let's clean the thermal paste on the GPU. It's ready for a new thermal paste. And the last one. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.